In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate haptic options. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access sounds and haptics. Now you can tap on haptics over here under ringtone and alerts section. Apply a perfect option for you by clicking on it and go back. Now, after scrolling down, click on one of those options and in each one, like new voicemail, tap on haptics at the top to adjust them. You can either click on synchronized at the top, use one of those vibration patterns, disable vibrations completely by selecting none, or even create your new vibration pattern. To do that, click here, create it by tapping on your screen, and when you finish, hit stop at the bottom right corner. To listen to it, hit play at the bottom left one. To re-record it, record at the bottom right one. And then to discard it, cancel at the top left corner, and to save it, save at the top right corner. Then name your pattern however you want to. And click on save. Then to apply it, click on it if it's not already on. Following that, go back again. Scroll down to access this switcher next to System Haptics and switch them off or on. And last but not least, click on Keyboard Feedback to apply haptic feedback for your keyboard thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!